Batteries are the most important part of an electric vehicle. Companies strive to create cost-effective batteries to show off excellent performances. And this is exactly what the BYD Blade battery that Elon Musk believes will shut down the entire electric vehicle industry can do. Why does Musk believe in this battery so much? What is it capable of? Well, don't you worry, because we're going to find out in today's video. We all know that Elon Musk is an expert when it comes to electric vehicles. Although his company has been working on his new battery tech as well, he believes that the BYD is the real deal. BYD is a company that's not as big as Tesla or other popular OEMs, but with this battery, the company skyrocketed to the top very quickly. That is, if the battery stands up to what the company promises it to be. We've heard about Musk's Tesla forming a partnership with the Chinese automaker BYD on battery matters. BYD is one of the biggest makers of electric vehicles in China. However, it was originally a mobile phone battery company before it decided to go into making electric vehicles. It is also into energy storage in China. BYD has American ties with Warren Buffett also as an investor. For several reasons, this partnership with BYD makes a lot of sense, despite the two companies being direct competitors. BYD launched LFP Blade batteries in 2022, and it is claimed to be the safest, as it is not as likely to experience thermal runaway. The Build Your Dream, or BYD battery, is an outstanding piece of technology. It's piqued the interest of Musk and prominent figures in the electric car industry. These cobalt-free batteries are known for striking a balance between excellent performance and cost-effectiveness. The Blade battery has various outstanding qualities, but the one that makes it real special is the service life that these cells offer. The Blade battery life service is roughly 1.2 million kilometers, or 3,000 charging cycles, according to BYD. Drivers wouldn't have to worry about their electric car battery losing efficiency due to the length of service. However, the unique safety level of this cutting-edge revolutionary Blade battery is creating a lot of buzzes. When compared to the safety standards given by other battery models in the electric car business today, the Blade battery is a mouth-widening piece of technology. The company has revealed that it would sell the new batteries even to its own competitors, saying that it would open its technology to the world. The Blade battery arranges the cell in an array before an insertion into the pack, resulting in a 50% reduction in space. The Blade battery is super flat in a departure from the traditional box-shaped pack. A major selling point of the Blade battery is a safety, which BYD has tested vigorously. BYD worked extensively throughout development to guarantee that the Blade battery performed admirably in every safety test possible, and as a consequence, the Blade battery rose to the top of the test results with great performance in every test. A thorough nail penetration test verified that the surface temperature of the Blade battery only reached a relatively low 30 to 60 degrees Celsius. Even under extreme strain, the battery did not generate smoke or flames. In addition to the nail-piercing test, BYD also put the Blade battery through high-intensity fire and overcharging tests. The battery was tested to 300 degrees Celsius furnace flames and a 260% capacity overcharge. With no explosion or combustion reaction, these experiments demonstrate how BYD's Blade battery outperforms both regular lithium batteries and lithium iron phosphate batteries currently available in the electric car market. The Blade battery is both stylish and small, measuring 96 centimeters long and 6 centimeters and 135 centimeters high. Individual battery cells are then removed and ergonomically fitted into specially made battery packs that employ BYD's revolutionary Blade arrangement through ergonomic design decisions. BYD's engineers were also able to lower the overall cubic volume of the battery installation by 50%, and as a result, they have more room for car storage as well as other auxiliary design elements and equipment. The BYD tanks battery installation with a direct current power output of 110 kilowatts and can recharge from 30 to 80% of total capacity in 30 minutes. BYD is in a class of its own with a mix of safety, extended life cycle, and a tremendous single-charge range potential. The new Blade battery's model's design and performance specifications are outstanding as a result that the battery represents a significant increase in the degree of competition that Tesla will encounter in the electric car industry. Tesla has long been the market leader in electric vehicles, but several new entrants are poised to give Musk and Tesla significant competition in the future. BYD is a Chinese manufacturer founded in 2003 as BYD Automobiles after the bigger BYD company purchased Qinchuan Automobile Company in 2002. Because Tesla also debuted in 2003, BYD Automobiles and Tesla are around the same age. One way this deal between Tesla and BYD is significant is because they're competitors in the electric vehicle industry. The competition will move from the domestic setting to the international scene as BYD starts to export its electric vehicles to other countries. While Tesla welcomes all electric vehicle makers to the market as they fight for market share with internal combustion engines, the truth is that Tesla's investors would prefer not to have competition. But then Musk is not afraid of partnering with other companies when he thinks it'll help Tesla. According to reports, Tesla will begin using BYD's new LFP battery, known as Blade Battery, in their assembly in the second quarter of 2022. According to these claims, Tesla has already at the C-sample of the BYD batteries. Since then, more rumors about Tesla's connection with its Chinese competitors have arisen. The current speculations don't include the installation of cells in Tesla's brand new entry model known as the Model 2. Following these allegations, the Chinese went into a frenzy stating that Tesla had already placed an order for BYD cells to be utilized in the production of electric vehicles. According to rumors, the reported purchase for 10 gigatons of Blade batteries is for the regular range variations of the Model 3, and the Model Y will be constructed in China. Earlier, there had been reports that Tesla is testing BYD's Blade lithium-ion battery for use in the Model Y, and the Blade batteries would start powering Tesla cars by 2022. Tesla stated in its most recent reports that it was switching to LFP batteries on a worldwide basis, while the electric model that is built in China, which employs LFP batteries, select models like the standard range Model 3, were constructed in the US, and their all-wheel drive cars continue to use round cell batteries. There are several issues that Tesla must evaluate before beginning to employ BYD's LFP Blade batteries, which differ in capacity from the cattle anode LFP batteries that Giga Shanghai production has used in standard range models until now. There is still speculation over whether Tesla would include BYD Blade batteries that are now being made in China, or try to develop a production line for the new batteries in the US, or even possibly Europe. If Tesla decides to go with BYD Blade batteries, it might significantly reduce energy expenses. The cost of BYD's Blade battery technology is expected to be around $64 per kilowatt-hour anode LFP batteries, which are now being utilized in Tesla's base model. Units costs $85 per kilowatt-hour. This means that the switch might save around $20 per kilowatt-hour. Choosing to diversify its manufacturing by including these batteries would not only cut Tesla's production costs, but it would also have the potential to enhance the overall electric car industry. BYD's frequent press releases and announcements over the years show that they are very much serious about improving its position in the global electric car industry. Their manufacturing takes place in the ultra-high-tech intelligent production plant in southwestern China's Chongqing region. The $1.4 billion project has a capacity of 20 gigaton hours per year. The production site is kept clean very regularly and is kept at a constant temperature of accurately 27 degrees Celsius. BYD has revealed continued advancements to their cutting-edge Blade battery technology, describing the next breakthroughs as game changers for the electric car sector. Using foreign batteries in Tesla cars for sale in the US could potentially cause it to miss out on the new electric vehicle incentives proposed by Biden administration. So if Tesla were to import BYD batteries from China to be used by its standard range models in Fremont, it could lose up to $500 in subsidies. However, the solution is the battery factory BYD has in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, where it makes LFP batteries for the BYD business buses sold in the US. Although the factory is small, it could be expanded to supply all batteries that Tesla would need until Tesla's battery productions are ready. After dominating the electric vehicle industry for so long, it appears that the fast-growing BYD will push Tesla to go above and beyond in battery technology and car production efficiency. Otherwise, both businesses may opt to form a partnership and collaborate to improve the electric vehicle sector and offer efficient and economical automobiles to entirely new markets. What Tesla car do you think the Blade battery will be used in first? Comment down below.